Hi, my name is Sophia. I'm from Germany and I'm in the track Human Resources. So my personal advice for female talents considering to apply for the Junior Managers program is to really trust and believe in yourself, show proactiveness and really trust in your experiences and your knowledge that you already have.
Hi, my name is Irina van Dijk. I started the JMP in September 2013. My current role is that I'm responsible for finance and controlling within the Bosch Home Comfort Group. To me, it is really crucial to have diverse people in my leadership team. This is when I'm responsible for my team that I really look when recruiting that I have people from different countries, different genders and also different age in my team, because I believe in bringing different perspectives into discussions brings the best result. But also I realized in my leadership team with my colleagues, it is super essential for me to change perspectives thanks to my colleagues.
My name is Kati, this is short for Katharina. I started the JMP back in 2021. My current task is called OFI, which is Office of the Executive Management in the logistics area. My highlight during the JMP was my stay abroad in Malaysia. I spent 3 months in Malaysia in a plant and was working in the purchasing area Southeast Asia for power tools, and I really had a great time over there.
So my personal advice for the selection process is to be authentic, try to not stress yourself too much about the selection process and don't concentrate only on yourself but also engage with your co-applicants. Also show proactiveness and that you can reflect on yourself and that you are really motivated and willing to be a future leader.
I was always lucky that I never made these choices alone, how I would like to create my life and my leadership career. I have a wonderful husband, I have great sponsors in my life, privately and also within Bosch. So when you do the JMP, you directly get mentors and also buddies you can exchange and reflect with. You regularly have development dialogues and there you can reflect upon your personal way, ambition and how to set it up in the best manner.
My personal hint for female talent is 1, just be yourself, and 2, you can do it and believe in yourself, because I have the impression that females tend to not believe in themselves enough and that we can do way more than we believe in or than we think we can do. And I think talking to others and realizing that we all have the same issues helps a lot.